Imagine launching a campaign that spreads across the world without spending millions on ads. People share it with their friends, post it on social media, and within days, millions have seen it. That's not luck. That's viral marketing. Viral marketing is when content spreads rapidly from person to person, much like a virus, driven by sharing, engagement, and network effects. Unlike traditional marketing, where companies push messages to audiences, viral marketing relies on people spreading the message themselves. For something to go viral, it needs to trigger strong reactions: emotion, surprise, humor, or inspiration. When people feel something, they are more likely to share it. This is why many viral campaigns focus on storytelling or unique ideas rather than direct promotion. A key concept behind viral marketing is the network effect. When one person shares content, it reaches multiple others. And if even a small percentage of those people share it again, the reach grows exponentially. Platforms like TikTok, YouTube, and Instagram make this process even faster by promoting engaging content to wider audiences through algorithms. One of the most famous examples of viral marketing is the Ice Bucket Challenge. What started as a simple idea, pouring a bucket of ice water over your head, quickly turned into a global movement. Millions of people participated, including celebrities, and the campaign raised massive awareness and funds for ALS research. The key was simplicity, participation, and a clear call to action. Another example is how brands create shareable content. Companies often design campaigns that are entertaining, relatable, or surprising enough that people naturally want to share them. This could be a funny video, a powerful message, or a creative challenge that invites participation. Viral marketing works best when it feels natural, not forced. Audiences can easily recognize when something is overly promotional, which reduces the likelihood of sharing. Successful viral campaigns blend content, emotion, and timing in a way that feels authentic. The power of viral marketing lies in its ability to achieve massive reach with relatively low cost. However, it is difficult to predict or control. Not every campaign goes viral, but when it does, the impact can be enormous. This is the Learning Studio, and in the next episode, we will explore how pricing influences customer decisions through pricing psychology.